So, game project. Main menu, you get your high score, which is loaded in and saved to a text file every time you play the game. You have your controls here explained at the bottom: WASD to move or to switch weapon, T to toggle torch, mouse to move, and mouse to aim and shoot. So, let's start. So you start off as a top-down shooter. Stuff starts spawning, you got your ammo pickups, zombies start coming in. Zombies vary in sizes, so the smaller the zombie, the faster it will be, but it will have smaller health and it will deal less damage as it bites you. The bigger the zombie, the slower it is, more damage, more health. So zombies drop cash. You start off with 50 cash and you pick up cash. You can spend cash at the trader at the end of every day. As you can see, there's a timer in the right top corner, and it's basically the time of day in game. As you go along, there's different types of power-ups. Sometimes zombies will drop magnet power-ups, which will automatically let you pick things up without having to go over to them, which is really handy and very useful, especially when there's a lot of things around. And here's an example of the military invasion or whatever. Basically what it does is it spawns enemies with guns, and they basically shoot at you. And they're harder to kill, they have more health, and they obviously shoot at you, so you have to dodge bullets as well. But they drop a lot of coins, they drop a lot of cash.
Yes.
So, yeah. There's a horde, oh, and I'm dead. Start again. Hordes of enemies just spawn. They're at random as well. Sometimes they can come at the very start, but they usually just come randomly. And hordes are basically just multiple enemies coming in at once, different sizes and stuff. But there's a big group of them. It gets harder to kill them. Blood effects, they're kind of dynamic. They're different every single time. And as you can see, the enemies kind of bounce off each other. They have collision protection, so they don't kind of just overlap and go through each other. Oh, there's a horde who comes in, and as you can see on the right of the screen, there's a multiplier. What the multiplier is basically is the further the multiplier goes along, the better your weapon gets, the better your gun gets. And there's a lot of zombies now, so we're gonna try use the crossbow. The crossbow is really cool. The further back you pull it, the faster the faster the arrow will be. As you can see, we have a military invasion, loads of zombies, havoc. I'm gonna get the military guys to sort of let them kill some of the zombies, hopefully, because I don't have that much ammo. Oh, magnet. Some zombies stuck here. Now I have a lot of things. And as you can see, my multiplier has gone up, and my gun has become more powerful. I can shoot 3 bullets at a time now, and the fire rate has increased. So, let's just keep killing enemies until it gets dark. As you can see also at the bottom, my XP and level goes up, and the higher level you are, the more your speed increases, and also your vision, so the camera just zooms out and it makes it look like. During the night, you use the torch to survive, because you can't see, but the torch allows you to see, and this is probably the hardest part of the game. Hopefully I survive this part so I can show the trader. So you can trade, and a military invasion just happened at night. They're random as well. At least you can see the bullets though. Okay, so the trader spawned. There's 30 seconds left to trade. So let's kill this guy. Pick up loads of stuff, and we're going to go over to the trader. When you're over to the trader, press spacebar and you have 4 options. 1, 2, or 3. And you can either buy ammo, arrows, or increase the fire rate of your gun. And we're going to buy arrows because you can't pick up arrows. You can only buy them from the trader. And once the trader goes away, the game resumes. There's 2 hours of night left, and it's gone on to day 2. As you play the game, a lot of things happen. The frequency of the zombie spawn increases. Yeah. What else? I'm forgetting things. obviously you level up, so my character is faster now. And I think once you reach level 5 or 6, your vision starts to increase, so the camera starts to zoom out as well, so you can see a lot more. Should probably turn the torch off. But yeah, that's pretty much the game. And I'll let these lads kill me. And you're done. Score 115, the date, the time of the score. You can click to restart. It restarts the game completely, and you can go again. And if you quit, and you load back in, the high score is 115, the date and the time of the score.